GMN, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about the staking rewards on ApeChain with ApeCoin. There's been a lot of news and new developments here, so I wanted to give an update, especially since the rewards for the BAYC, the mutants and the kennels stopped on the mainnet. So you need to take action here, and this is what I'm gonna explain in this video, because it's also worth it to do this ASAP in case you staked your Apecoin with one of the NFTs, because a lot of people haven't done this. So the rewards pool is distributed to lesser people, which means more rewards per person. Also, you can get Apecoin staking rewards if you don't have an NFT, and I'm gonna explain this as well. So let's dive right in. As always, all the links are down in the description, and the main link and the thing we're gonna go through this with is this thread here by ApeCoin themselves. It's very well explained here. I'm gonna show you this on the actual site as well, but the explanation is really great. So first of all, I'm gonna explain how to do this if you have one of the NFTs, either a BAYC, MAYC, or a BAKC. So ape, mutant, or kennel. And afterwards, I'm gonna explain what you need to do if you don't have one of the NFTs but just own ApeCoin, how to get the staking rewards then. So let's first of all start with the NFT staking. You can see here apestake.io is the old staking page where your ApeCoin was staked, your BAYC, your MAYC, and your kennels. What you now need to do is, for example, if you have a Bored Ape, then you go here, then you can see it. Then you need to withdraw all your ApeCoin. You can click on manage, and then you need to click on withdraw all. So you claim all your rewards and you withdraw all the ApeCoin that you staked together with your ape. Same for the mutants, same for the kennels. And if you click withdraw all, you can see this, which NFT this is, how much you staked, and how many rewards you're claiming. And then you click on withdraw all, and then you need to sign the transaction. And if you sign the transaction, then you unstaked all your ApeCoin. This applies to everything that you staked here in the old mainnet staking. Now you need to bridge your ApeCoin to ApeChain, and you can do this either via the official website, or you can do this via Relay, and this is the bridge that I use because it's way faster and it's way cheaper. So I used Relay. The link for this will be down in the description as well. You can see here you need to connect your wallet. Always make sure that you're on the correct and official websites, because there will be scammers that will try to get your ApeCoin, your mutants, your apes. So be aware of that, and best case is to go through the official links provided by the official account. All right, via Relay, you can then click here and the balance. For example, if you have a fully staked mutant, this is what it should look like. It costs a little bit of ape, but the transaction fees, because right now we only have 0.45 Gwei, which is, yeah, crazy. No one is using the virtual machine right now, basically. And then you bridge this, you sign the transaction, and after a short while, you successfully bridged your ApeCoin on the Ethereum Mainnet to ApeChain. This is the next step, and then you'll need to have the ApeChain network added to your wallet to interact on ApeChain and stake your ape. If you haven't done this, you can do this via a one-click. I can show you this. If you click on this and then click add to wallet, then you should see it in your wallet as well. You can decide which wallet is it that you want to use, and then you're good to go. Now you added this, you have the ApeCoin on ApeChain, and now, which is new, but it looks almost the same as the old one, this is ApeChain stake.io, and this is where you stake your NFTs together with your Apecoin. You need to connect your wallet. You need to acknowledge that if you transfer your NFT, your BAYC, MAYC, BAKC, that the person that owns the NFT also has access to the staked Apecoin amount. So beware of that. To agree to the terms and conditions and then connect your wallet. And what you need to do then, for example, if you have a BAYC, you click here. If you have a mutant, then you click here, and so on. And then you can click on commit. And then you can commit your NFT. If you want it fully staked, you click max, or you enter the balance that you want to go with. Then click on commit and deposit. This is yet another signing of the transaction. And then you are good to go. You can also use a different wallet to manage your staking. You'll need to delegate your shadow, which is the NFT on ApeChain then basically. You can do this using a delegate.xyz. Let me put this in full screen like that. Delegate your shadow. This is explained here as well. This is delegate.xyz. You can tap here to start using Delegate after you connected your wallet. And then you click on Delegate a wallet, contract, or asset. You delegate your wallet. You submit the delegation, but before you click Shadow NFT, submit delegation, and then your shadow gets created. This is in case you want another wallet to interact with the ApeChain stake dashboard. As you can see here, in my case, I have the mutant fully staked now, and that's about it. Now, in terms of Apecoin-Only staking, if you still haven't done this, you might still have some Apecoin staked here on the old Ethereum Mainnet page, which is apestake.io. Then you can go here and unstake. As you can see here, rewards have stopped accruing for Apecoin pool. And the thing is, as soon as you bridged your Apecoin to ApeChain, you're automatically accruing the staking rewards. So you don't need to do anything. On a regular basis, you get the rewards directly in your wallet. I have this calculator here. Calculate your potential earnings with compound interest. For example, if you have 1000 ape, the APY is at around 8. The current price is 0.41. Then you get a daily 0.22 ape, which is a weekly 1.54 ape, monthly 6.69, and yearly 83 ape, and so on. This, of course, varies. Also, the price varies. For example, if the APY goes down, then there's, of course, less. It can also be higher, for example, like this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, send this to all your friends that own one of the NFTs or own Apecoin and need to bridge their Apecoin to ApeChain to accrue more staking rewards. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos on my channel. For example, I got the abstract series going on my channel. I have the Monad series where the next video is due next week. And there's lots of airdrop possibilities. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.